People welcome back to the show, you see? Because these gentlemen here this morning with me and then Duppy's story now going to work out. So let's move on. A group of students have connected to assist other students with the necessary tools to keep them learning, especially as it's nearing CSEC time. The project is fairly new, and those ladies are here with us this morning, hoping that Jamaicans will get on board, come together, and help them. So joining us by Zoom are co-founders Deborah Madden and Nia Scott. Hello, ladies.
Hello, Auntie Simone.
How are you?
Everything. We're very excited to be here.
Fantastic. It's good to have you. Deborah, how old is We Connect?
We Connect is 1 week old.
What?
We're a big organization.
Okay, tell me a little bit about each of you. Deborah, you're in school now? You're preparing for CSEC as well?
I am.
Okay, and Nia, so are you?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, but you guys have access to the tools that you need, right? How have you been preparing leading up to, what is it, July 13th start? How have you guys been preparing in the interim?
So we've been having classes on Zoom. We've also been using YouTube resources, textbooks as usual, but a lot of what we're doing is online. And so that's inspired this whole initiative.
Right. So Nia, are you ready for the exams?
I think I'm ready. I'd like to be more ready.
Yeah. Okay, so you guys, you were learning via the technology, and you kind of realized that there are some persons who are at a disadvantage because they don't have the same access as you do. So tell me how you came together to birth this initiative just a week ago. Tell me how that happened. Deborah?
Okay, so we didn't start planning it just a week ago. We've been planning it for about a month. But about a month ago, a friend of ours started a discussion with us where we were just talking and we're like, look how much we're doing online nowadays. And that caused us to think about all the different students who don't have technology or don't have internet access. In fact, the minister even spoke about it, how almost 30% of students don't have access to internet. And we just saw that as a huge problem. And we're just like, let's see what we can do to help. So we just started talking. And as we started talking, We Connect came into being.
That's so fantastic. So Nia, you got 16 of you together to do this?
Yes. Our idea came from Sachel Milo, and there are 4 of us who are managing the whole project, and it's 16 amazing purpose-driven students our age.
I love that. Amazing and purpose-driven at this age. I mean, I think We Connect is going to be a bigger thing, but right now you guys are bridging a huge gap. So how does it work? Because there are a lot of folks who are watching this morning. Tell us what the objectives are, Deborah, and then Nia, tell us what it is that you want us to do to try and help you guys to achieve those objectives.
Okay, so this is phase 1 of our plan. We obviously want to expand, but for this phase, we want to collect 50 devices by May-June, around June 13th. And we're really pushing for this because CSEC has come forward, and that kind of threw us for we were kind of not expecting that. So because CSEC is starting July 13th, by June 13th, we want to get at least 50 devices so we can give to our students, so that they can have it in time to prepare.
And what are you asking for? Be very specific now. You want devices.
We are asking for computers, phones, tablets, credits, power banks, chargers, anything that you think could even help us assist a student to prepare in any way. Just contact us and we'll probably be accepting it. But just technology.
Yeah.
We just want our students to have that.
So I am saying that if telecoms are watching and you can help, that would be great. Flow or digital, that would be fantastic.
Yes.
But you're really reaching out to people who may have a device that is still in good condition, that they're not using, that they can give to We Connect, correct? Because if it's not working and it mash up and so on and so forth, then maybe not so much. But maybe 50 devices between now and the time that CSEC rolls around. So, Nia, how do we do that if we realize that we do have a device that we can give to you guys? How do we go about assisting the cause?
Okay, so a lot of people have been sharing and not a lot of people have been giving. So to combat that, we say you can just WhatsApp us right now at 282-1405, and we'll hold you accountable, and we'll guide you step by step in the process of giving. And if you are ready to give right now, you can go to our Instagram page and tap the link in our bio, and that will send you to a form, and you just fill out that form, which has like what kind of device you have. And after you fill it out, you'll get a confirmation number, which you will label your device with and just drop it off at one of our 3 drop-off locations.
Okay, and those locations would be?
JMMB and 6 Houghton Terrace, JMMB in Portmore at 47 to 48 West Tradeway, and the St. Andrew High School for Girls, which is at 10 Cecilio.
Okay, is that where you guys attend?
Yes.
Oh, wow, wow. Big up all the Andrews girls. This is a fantastic, I know one. Her name is Nadia Bryce. Do you know Auntie Nadia? I think she's the head of the All Girls Association, but this is definitely a cause that she would be very, very interested in. So, guys, what Nia and Deborah are saying is that if you have a device that you are not using, there are some folks who are preparing for CSEC, which starts, it was supposed to be the 27th, I think. No, it's moved up to the 13th. So the window has narrowed a bit. So We Connect Phase 1, they're looking to get 50 devices between now and July 13 so that they can assist their compatriots, their colleagues, their friends at school who do not have a device. Can you help? If you can, then give us the number again, Nia. What's the WhatsApp number to which you're going to hold us accountable when we... That's so dangerous. What's it? 282?
1405.
282 1405. Okay, and then your Instagram handle is what?
At We Connect JA.
Okay. So you mentioned, Deborah, that this is phase 1. Where do you guys plan to go with this program as you build it out?
Expansion, expansion, expansion. There are so many students for this phase. We're only focusing on Kingston and St. Andrew as well as St. Thomas, but there are 14 parishes. So if we get the support, we want to expand to every parish in Jamaica and maybe even move out internationally, because the world is moving in a place where technology is the future and we cannot be left behind. So we want to empower all of our students everywhere to have what they need to have the best chance at academic success.
I love this. You guys are so impressive for so many reasons. You're articulate, you're obviously motivated, and you're philanthropic. And if you have that spirit now, there is no stopping you guys to getting this done. You're going to get your target and beyond. Well done, Nia Scott. Well done, Deborah Madden, co-founders of We Connect, and to the 14 other young ladies who are a part of your organization. Thank you very much. Who was talking a while ago? Somebody wanted to say something? Because we have to go. Have to say it
We're
really
not
quickly.
the only co-founders.
Oh, there's 16 of you. Me know. That's why I said the 14 others in the group. We're bigging them up as well. Thank you very much for being here. Guys, again, if you can, donate. It's 282-1405. You send a WhatsApp to that number and you will be held accountable. It was said straight up. Yeah, that's not like a, hypothetical. That's a promise. Or you go to the handle at We Connect JA. Thanks again, ladies. Up next, guys, we're going to be hearing from a hotelier on how he is preparing for the reopening of the hotel industry after this break.
Paradise.